URL, I already have it, so you could just even go to their website and you could find it out. It's okay, finance.yahoo.com, qbc string from, and then here is where we actually have the cur from code, and then we do the cur to code. That's how it is. There, for some reason, that's how Yahoo does it, like one string together. So and then equal capital X and T equal 5 and D and L. See, I'm copying this from Yahoo, so equal on and Z equal, let me just copy the URLs, much easier, it's too many. This is it. I'll be posting this code online so you could actually just copy it off. Now we'll do a try box. Basically we'll try to get the information from Google, Yahoo, string results empty. Now the URL, the page equal new URL, the URL that we have from that we created on top. Just give me a second. So we got the string URL, the URL page. Let's do the buffer read. Basically, we have the page as the input stream. We do a new input stream on it and the new buffer read, and we store it in N. And it's basically the buffer reader that we have. The we have the string for the input line. This is basically for each line that we're gonna read, while the input line takes it from the N read line, and it's not null. The results will be results dot input line. This is basically like a while loop. If you ever done a while loop in PHP, this is almost the same thing. We have all these errors here. Let's just go and include all the files that we actually need. The first of all we need is the URL, the one we just did. So they're all Java related, so they're all just java.net.url, and as you type it you could actually see the autocomplete. Now we also need the buffer read. It's going to be Java and it's in io dot buffer read, buffer reader. And then we have the we need the input stream too. Import java.io.input stream reader. We need, okay, we got the URL, we have the buffer reader, the input reader. Let's also import the swing class for the Java. We need that for the box and stuff. Now we also need to import two. Basically those two are basically for the regular expression we're going to use to get the information. They're Java utilities and the regex. The first one is the matcher. The other one will be the pattern getter. Pattern. Oh, it's not there. Well, it should be there, technically speaking. Let me see this. Yeah, I guess this, we don't need this here. Regex pattern. Yep, it's all correct as you can see. Now I don't know why it's giving me invalid package, but I'm assuming that probably we just have to do it under the package. Yeah, see, it's probably something with the here. So now that we have everything here, cannot find J option pane. J option. Yep, this is it. Let's see what it included. Yeah, it was this is the one we were missing, the J option pane. So we have this here, we have everything that we need to. So let's just go back here and we have the results, and then we just close the buffer reader. Now here we could do all the stuff, but before we do the stuff, let's just do a catch. Basically, let's catch any errors if they happen. Basically, the system requires to have catch, but we really don't need any catch. I mean, it's not like we're going to be doing, but you could also do any error handling here if you do want to. That's basically, basically it. Okay, we have the buffer reader. Okay, buffer reader, new input stream, the page.openStream. Now the page cannot find the page, so I don't know why it can't find the page. Oh, the page is here. No, it's uppercase. That's the problem. Sometimes you have uppercase, sometimes you have lowercase. So the page new URL. Let's see what's cannot find symbol. Input stream reader, it's correct. Open stream is correct. Buffered. Oh, buffered. My mistake. It's buffered reader. New buffered reader, not buffer. So we have it here. Now let's press here. Do error handling. Maybe let's just, I guess, do a box the same way we had here. And we'll just say unable to connect to Yahoo Finance. Okay, now let's process all the information that we got. Results has all the database information. Let's do the pattern matching. Let's have the pattern, final pattern. We're gonna do a new pattern and we're gonna compile it, and we're gonna actually look for this string. This is, if you view the source of the Yahoo results, this is basically, it's an X. Hold on, X this way here. This is where but we have to escape the double quote, and here's the match, the actual text that's going to be there. So we're only taking numbers, so it's going to be 0 to 9, and could be more than one number. And yeah, also it might be a decimal, so we have the dot as well. So this is going to match the pattern. So now matcher, let's do the actual match. Okay, matcher, matcher, match, find, final pattern, and then we're gonna do matcher. We're gonna try to match the results, and then the final pattern, we match it by the match find. Now we have the match find. We have to execute the regular expression, so it's gonna be, we're gonna do the find. Now we're gonna display the currency in a double. So let's just do a double. The current rate, this is gonna be the current rate of the exchange, and it's gonna be a typecast of double. Value of, okay. And then we're gonna actually get the thing from the match find here. So basically match find, it's gonna be in the first group. Okay, and then double value. Now we have the current rate. Let's do the actual conversion. I mean, this is the rate, like the rate convert, but we actually get the number of this one, we just multiply it to get the actual total rate, which is going to be the total convert, and it's going to be the cur rate multiplied by the double. The value of is going to be cur amount that get text that double value. Now we have the total convert, we have this one, and now we need to okay, get text. Now we actually have the value, the conversion, everything, but we need to get the current trade time matching. Basically just copy the same thing here. So, but we're gonna match different stuff. And we can redeclare it again because we already have it. So it's gonna be a match of the basically span ID, and then we have span. Okay, now we're gonna take anything here, but the span ID, if you would look at the source code, it's gonna have it's gonna be of this type, YFS underscore T10 underscore, and it could be any number of letters equal X. So that's the actual pattern that we need to get. Now we have this. Let's do the display result. Display that's set text, and then we set the text, but here's the thing, we have to format it, string dot format as it's gonna be, I guess, a decimal, 3 second places.